Life is a game. A complex, unpredictable, and often frustrating game. But what if I told you there's a way to hack it? To unlock the hidden mechanics that decide who wins and who gets ignored? What if I told you that social success isn't about who you are, it's about how you play the game? Welcome to the social cheat codes no one told you about. Let's level up. The NPC glitch. Have you ever felt like a background character in your own life? Like everyone else is the main character and you're just there? That's the NPC glitch. In video games, NPCs follow a script. They don't take risks, they don't stand out, and they definitely don't steal the spotlight. But here's the thing. Most people are NPCs in real life too. They're stuck in their routines, afraid to break the script. And that's your opportunity. The hack? Stop being an NPC. Be the player. Take action. Make eye contact. Say something, anything. Because here's the secret. Most people are waiting for someone else to make the first move. When you do, you instantly stand out. Remember, the world rewards players, not spectators. The confidence lie. Here's the truth. Confidence is a lie. Or at least the way we think about it is. You can't just be confident. Confidence isn't a personality trait. It's a byproduct of action. Think of it like a video game. You don't start with all the skills and power-ups. You earn them by playing the game. Confidence works the same way. It comes from doing the thing you're afraid of over and over again. So stop trying to be confident. Start taking small, consistent actions. Each time you do, you'll level up. And before you know it, people will start paying attention. Not because you're confident, but because you're doing something. The reverse value trick. Let's be honest here. The more you try to impress people, the less they care. It's like trying to sell something to someone who didn't ask for it. They'll just tune you out. Instead of chasing people, flip the script. Make them chase you. How? By giving value, but not in the way you think. The reverse value trick is simple. Focus on the other person. Ask questions. Listen. Show genuine interest. When you make someone feel valued, they'll naturally want to be around you. It's like a magnet. The more you pull away, the more they'll come closer. Remember, people don't remember what you said. They remember how you made them feel. Speedrun to social success. In video games, a speedrun is when you beat the game as fast as possible by using shortcuts and hacks. And guess what? You can speedrun social success too. Here's your cheat code, mirroring. It's a psychological hack that makes people like you instantly. Match their body language, tone, and energy. If they're excited, be excited. If they're calm, be calm. It creates a subconscious connection that says, this person gets me. But here's the key. Don't overdo it. Be subtle. Think of it as a dance. You're following their lead, not copying their every move. With this cheat code, you can skip the awkward small talk and go straight to meaningful connections. The spotlight hack. Ever notice how some people effortlessly become the center of attention without even trying? That's the spotlight hack at work. It's not about being the loudest or most extroverted. It's about creating intrigue. The secret? Be selectively visible. Instead of constantly seeking attention, focus on being memorable in small, meaningful ways. A well-timed comment, a unique perspective, or even a thoughtful pause can make people wonder, who is that? People are drawn to mystery. When you don't overshare or overperform, you create a magnetic pull. Let them come to you. That's how you own the spotlight without even stepping into it. Here's a little-known truth. People love solving puzzles. Not the kind with pieces, but the kind with people. When you give someone just enough information to be curious, they'll want to know more. The puzzle principle is about revealing yourself in layers. Share a little, then pause. Let them ask questions. Let them fill in the gaps. It's not about being mysterious for the sake of it. It's about creating engagement. When you make someone work a little to understand you, they'll value the connection more. It's like giving them a puzzle to solve, one they'll enjoy piecing together. The time warp effect. Time is a social currency, and the way you use it can change how people perceive you. Enter the time warp effect, the art of making every interaction feel longer and more meaningful than it actually is. Here's how it works. Slow down. Pause before you speak. Hold eye contact a second longer. Let silence do the heavy lifting. When you're not rushing, people feel like they have your full attention, and that's rare. By stretching time, you create the illusion of depth. A 5-minute conversation can feel like an hour of connection. And that's how you leave a lasting impression. Social success isn't about being the loudest, the funniest, or the most charismatic. It's about understanding the game and using the right cheat codes. It's about taking action, giving value, and creating connections. So what are you waiting for? The game is waiting. And now, you have the cheat codes. If you enjoyed this video and want more life-changing hacks, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Because here's the thing. The more you level up, the more you'll want to keep playing. And I'll be here to guide you every step of the way. Until next time, keep playing, keep winning, and remember, the game is yours to master.